Hi everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're talking about beard oil and which scent is right for you. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do for beard care tips and advice straight to your phone. I often get asked the question which beard oil scent I would recommend for a person, and that's a very difficult question because every person's preferences are different. For example, I like strong coffee, but I like my beard oil quite subtle. So everyone is different, which is why I've brought out a range of different beard oils, and today I'm going to go through each one, I'm going to smell them for you, and I'm going to try to describe how they are. So up first, the yellow label is the unscented label. This one, as it says on the tin, is unscented, but no scent whatsoever, so it's kind of almost like calming. I like to use this one when I don't want any scent right by my nose. As you know, when you put on beard oil, you move from your ears to your chin. You'll also put it on your moustache as well. Maybe at night time after a shower, when I don't want any scent going into bed and I'm not using beard butter, for example, on that evening, I would put in the scented beard oil. Also, if I am using an aftershave, for example, I may go for this beard oil because I don't want the two scents to clash. Next one is peppermint, and originally I made this one as a morning oil to complement you brushing your teeth, for example, that minty freshness. This oil is very fresh. It's quite energetic, it's quite sharp. You can definitely get the hint of tea tree in there as well. I definitely like this in the morning, or also I like to put it on after a shower, after a workout, for example, if I have a tough day ahead and it energizes me a little bit. The orange label is the cedarwood now. So we have the unscented, we have the fresh peppermint. This one is going more towards masculine. It's quite foresty. It's cedarwood and Siberian fir, so it's slightly sharp. Definitely, it's kind of grounding as well. Very masculine. I often put it on in the afternoon if I want to kind of focus and I have a lot of work to do. This one is good just to kind of ground myself. A little bit calming as well, and you know, obviously you can become quite calm if you're walking through a forest and smelling those scents. So that this will definitely give you that forest smell. Next one, kind of close cousin to the cedarwood, is the sandalwood. This one, however, is a little bit more intense. And it's a mixture of smokiness and kind of floral scents, kind of flowery scents is how I would describe it. This one again is more, I originally made it for more kind of a daytime scent, quite masculine, but it does have that nice smokiness to it as well, so perhaps it could also work as an evening oil. The last one then of our range, but like I say, you can use whatever scent you like, but this just gives you an idea of which one to choose depending on the time of day and what kind of mood you're in as well. This one I like to wear I like to put on in the evening times. It's cinnamon and black pepper. So it has the sweetness of cinnamon, but it has the kind of strength or the body of black pepper. And it's quite relaxing, so I tend to use this after an early nighttime shower. For example, if I'm having a shower or at 7 or 8 p.m. and I'm not going to be going to bed for a couple of hours, I would put this one on. And it's a nice one also if you're going out for a few drinks, to put one on, going for dinner. This one is a good complement to nighttime. So that's an idea of the 5 different scents. I tend to move away from, or I tend to not go for the fragrances like bubblegum and the citrusy scents, not too much. I'm not personally a fan of those. I like to keep everything quite natural. I don't like to put artificial fragrances in any of the oils. So that's why I came up with these 5, and obviously there's going to be more to come. So when you are choosing a beard oil, whether it's these or any other beard oil, think about the mood, think about the type of flavors, drinks, foods you tend to like, whether you like strong scents or subtle scents, and then try to make your decision based on that. If you have any questions, make sure you comment in the section below. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.